All right, guys, we're at the boat ramp. I just came from the beach. Nokomis, obviously. These are the only ones that I see. Oh, no, there's more there. There was no dead fish there. I took some video. Kenneth Proudfoot had invited me to a Nokomis meet in the morning. So basically what they were saying there is it is red tide. From the Lake O. And so that's what they're saying. So I don't know. Now somebody in the comments on the other video said that. Sorry, I'm over here concentrating. Somebody in the comments said that it was fishermen that catch the mullet and discard of the male mullet. Others are saying red tide. Today at the meet, they were saying red tide as well. So where I was yesterday, where I took the video, there is no dead fish along the shoreline like there was yesterday morning. I know in the video I put the wrong year. I don't know how to change it, so sorry about that. But anyway, guys, that's your update for now, and I'll be back later. I'm going to check on my vehicle. I got a rental for now, but that's what's going on now. Bye.